How to use Exness Web Terminal. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Exness website at exness.com. Log in using your Exness account credentials. Once logged in, click on the Trade button from the home screen. A window will pop up. Select the Exness Terminal option to open the trading interface directly in your browser. Here you will see the dashboard displaying market instruments including Forex pair, commodities, and indices. You can search for your preferred instrument using the search bar. To place a trade, select the instrument and choose whether to buy or sell based on your analysis. Enter the trade volume and optionally set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risks. The web terminal also allows you to use technical indicators and chart tools. Click on the chart to customize its appearance, choose different time frames, and add indicators like moving averages, RSI, or Bollinger Bands. You can monitor all your open trades in the position section and track your account balance, equity, and margin in real time. Now you know how to use the Exness Web Terminal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.